In diagnostic ultrasounds, beam intensity is highest where the beam is A. Widest, B. Reflected, C. Narrowest in the focus, D. Absorbed. The right answer here is C. Less area, high intensity. Next, which of the following best describes spatial intensity? A. Intensity over time, B. Intensity at different points in space within the beam, C. Average intensity during a pulse, D. Energy per wavelength. The right answer here is B. Spatial intensity is the one which changes with the area, space. Next, where is spatial peak intensity found? A. At the transducer surface, B. In the center of the beam at the focal point, C. At beam edges, D. In the near field. The right answer here is B. Spatial peak, highest intensity over the space. It is present in the focal zone. Why? Because of the narrow area. Next, spatial average intensity is measured. A. At the focal point, B. Across the entire beam area, C. Only at beam edges, D. In the far field. The right answer here is B. Spatial average is measured over entire beam area. Next, temporal intensity changes because A. Beam diverts, B. Ultrasound pulses are not continuous, C. PRF increase, D. Frequency change. The right answer here is B, because in pulsed ultrasounds, pulses are not continuous. There is pulse echo technique. First, there is on-time transmission, then there is only reception off-time. So that's why there is temporal intensity which change over time. Next, the temporal peak represents A. Average over one pulse, B. Highest intensity at any instant during transmission, B. Intensity during reception, D. Average over on-off cycle. The right answer here is B. Temporal peak. It's the maximum intensity at any instant. Next, the pulse average represents A. Instantaneous intensity, B. Intensity average over entire on-off cycle, C. Average intensity during the pulse duration only, D. Average spatial pulse. The right answer here is C, because pulse average only considered pulse duration. And what is pulse duration? Only the on time. Next, the temporal average intensity represents A. Instantaneous pulse intensity, B. Average during transmission only, C. Average during the entire on-off cycle, D. Only receive phase intensity. The right answer here is C. Temporal average includes both on time and off time. It covers entire cycle. Next, arrange temporal intensities from highest to lowest. The right answer here is B. Temporal peak more than pulse average more than temporal average. Next, which intensity is the lowest? A. SPTP, B. SPPA, C. SATP, D. SATA. The right answer here is D. SATA. Spatial average, temporal average is the lowest. Next, which intensity is the highest over all? A. SPTP, B. SPTA, C. SPPA, D. SATA. The right answer here is A. SPTP. Spatial peak, temporal peak is the maximum. Next, the intensity most commonly used in the bioeffect studies is A. SATA, B. SPTA, C. SPPA, D. SATP. The right answer here is B. SPTA. Spatial peak temporal average is used in the bioeffects. Next, typical duty factor for pulsed ultrasound is A. 10%, B. 1%, C. 0.1%, D. 100%. Right answer here is C, because system is only working 1 by 1000 times. Next, CW has a duty factor of A 0, B 1 or 100%, C 0.001, D 0.5. The right answer here is B 1 or 100%. Next, if duty factor increases, the temporal average intensity will A increase, B decrease, C stay same, D no effect. The right answer here is A increases, because temporal average is duty factor multiplied temporal peak. Next, which pair correctly shows a direct relationship? A TA and PRF, B TA and duty factor, C SP and SA, D duty factor and wavelength. The right answer here is B temporal average and duty factor. Next one, which of the following correctly lists the 6 intensity combinations? The right answer here is B. Next, which of the following is true about intensity variations? A. Ultrasound intensity is uniform in space and time. B. Intensity only varies spatially. C. Intensity only varies temporally. D. Intensity varies both spatially and temporally. The right answer here is D. Intensity varies in both spatially and temporally. Next, which spatial intensity is greater? A. Spatial average. B. Spatial peak. C. Both are equal. D. Depends on duty factor. The right answer here is B. Spatial peak is always greater than spatial average. If you want to prepare for ARDMS SPI in a very easy way, you can join my Easy SPI classes.